Digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency, is a form of digital or virtual money that is changing the way we think about money and financial systems. Unlike traditional currency, digital currency operates independently of a central bank or government. It uses complex encryption techniques to secure transactions and can be easily transferred and stored using a mobile device. To begin, the use of digital currency may encourage an increase in international commercial activity. It is also possible that it will greatly assist the inclusion of financial services or altogether revolutionize the way that we shop online. In this video, we will talk about how digital currency will change the world. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Let's get moving. Number 1. Support for the unbanked and underbanked. One of the most significant ways digital currency is changing the world is by providing financial access to those who are currently unbanked or underbanked. With digital currency, even people in remote or underserved areas can easily make financial transactions. According to a survey conducted by the FDIC in 2019, it was found that more than 7 million households in the United States do not have a bank account. They are forced to pay expensive fees in order to cash their paychecks and transfer payments to others in the form of money orders or remittances, both of which are options available to them. People who do not have bank accounts would be able to gain access to their money and pay their payments without incurring any additional fees. Number 2. Faster and cheaper transactions. Digital currencies are also changing the way we do business. With a bank account, sending money internationally or even between people in the same country can take up to 2 weeks. For international transfers, you need clearinghouses that are specific to each country, and this process runs into problems and roadblocks. Digital currency could make money transfers happen right away. Digital currency can be used to pay for things faster than any other payment method on the market right now. Money can be sent instantly, making our current banking practices outdated. Through digital ledgers, there are even protocols that allow people to trade money without leaving themselves open to theft or fraud, like US dollars converting into euros, for example. The algorithm for the protocol is smart and efficient, so transactions can be done and confirmed quickly. Their path is often complicated because they may have to go through foreign exchange traders who have accounts at banks all over the world. But these protocols find the fastest way to get from one place to another. Number 3. Eliminates the need for intermediaries. In addition, digital currency has the potential to revolutionize international trade and commerce, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as banks and making cross-border transactions faster and more efficient. Number 4. 24/7 access. When banks are closed and unable to validate transactions, money transfers that are already in place typically take significantly longer to complete on weekends and outside of normal business hours. Transactions using digital currency are processed at the same pace, no matter the time or day of the week they take place. Number 5. Cheaper international transfers. The costs associated with international currency transactions are extremely high. When individuals shift funds from one country to another, particularly when the transaction involves currency changes, they are subject to extremely expensive transfer costs. This market could be disrupted by the introduction of digital assets, which would make it both more efficient and less expensive. Number 6. A boost to e-commerce. When they take on customers, online merchants take on the risk of credit card fraud, which isn't fair to them. This is a problem because most international transactions involve this type of payment in some way. Because of this, international payments are risky. In the past few years, Bitcoin has saved the day by allowing safe online shopping that can't be taken back once it's been sent, as long as you're not sending cash. Bitcoin eliminates the risk of fraud by doing away with the need to verify your identity. This is important because identity verification can lead to unintended consequences like false charges or even full-blown hacking schemes, which we don't want when doing business. With no more worry over fraudulent chargebacks and such being made against your company, borderless e-commerce will become much smoother than ever before. Companies would have more options for payment with the introduction of new cryptocurrencies. There is a chance that micropayments will also become the norm, letting people make even small purchases or transactions online without having to deal with high transaction fees. Number 7. A boost to global remittances. El Salvador, the first country to use Bitcoin as a national digital currency, shows how this can improve worldwide remittances. Unfortunately, 70% of El Salvador's population is unbanked and cannot save money. even with determination and hard effort. Saving what little wealth people have without contemporary tools like a local bank account keeps many in El Salvador behind. El Salvadorans depend on remittances. A U.S. worker may send some of his earnings home to feed or educate his family. A Canadian lady may send money to her mother for medical care. Endless requirements and scenarios. Imagine being without money. Because they don't have a bank account or credit card, El Salvador's unbanked can't obtain dollars promptly without costs. Sending $10 takes 4 weeks. Digital currencies like Bitcoin enable instant, bank-free financial transactions. Non-banked people like sending money instantly without an account. These people can shop anywhere with their new cryptocurrency, boosting the local economy. Number 8. More money available for LICS. The role of technology in the growth of African countries is becoming more and more important. Mobile technology has advanced to the point where it's expected that most business will be done on phones, and more people are starting to accept credit cards as their preferred way to pay. That could give them more money to spend and make it easier than ever for tech companies to do business in developing economies. Here, digital currencies are a new and exciting way to do business. There is no need for bank accounts or debit cards. Just buy some coins on the open market and send them anywhere in seconds with low transaction fees, both at home and abroad. They will also be able to protect their digital assets from inflation and won't have to keep all of their money in savings at home, which is dangerous. They'll still be able to get to it whenever they want by using cryptocurrency exchanges that specialize in worldwide cross-border transactions or even just peer-to-peer or business-to-business transactions. This will give people more financial control over their lives than ever before. Number 9. A global currency. As a global currency, digital currencies will revolutionize the globe. In the country of origin, only USD or Euro can be used. American shoppers in Europe must swap dollars for euros. All transactions must be in the local currency. Cryptocurrency allows global money use. Many individuals worldwide use digital money to buy products and services online. This used to require PayPal or another third-party provider. They would convert your money into a seller-friendly currency. Today, you may pay using Bitcoin or any digital currency for a straightforward, hassle-free purchase. Bitcoin and other digital currencies have a lot of power to change the world. Digital currency is still a relatively new and emerging technology, and it is important to be aware of the potential risks and challenges such as volatility, hacking, and lack of regulation. But overall, digital currency has the potential to change the way we think about money and financial systems, and could have a major impact on the global economy, and it will be interesting to see how it develops over the next 10 years or so. To sum up, this discussion is not a complete list of all the ways that digital currencies can change our world, but it does show you how this technology might change our lives in the future. This technology is still in its early stages around the world, so virtual currency will only grow, become more useful, and become easier for more people to use. We hope that our video helped you think about how digital currencies will help not only you but also the economy as a whole. Reach out if you have questions about how Unbanked can help you, or if you just want to know more about what digital currencies can do. So if you've done your homework and still want to invest in virtual currency, there's no reason you shouldn't. You can start out small to see how things go before putting out more money. Now could be a good time to get started with digital currencies. Good luck.